The cake we are going to prepare today really has some magic in it. There are 3 distinct layers that are prepared with a single dough. Magic cocoa cake? Let's make it together! Before we begin, so you have everything ready, I'll sift the flour in the bowl, along with the cocoa, and now I stir gently to even out the mix. I set aside and take care of the dough. I'll pour the yolks in a mixer bowl, then I'll start the machine at a medium-high speed and add the sugar little by little. You'll be wondering why it's called magic cake, because with just one dough, at the end of cooking we'll get 3 different layers. The first is similar to a flan, so quite firm. The second one will be more like pudding, so much creamier. Finally, the third is a softer sponge cake, and after a few minutes, here is the mixture. Nice clear and frothy. Now I can add water, cold pour in it slowly. I let it embed for a moment and then add the vanilla essence. This one I'll pour slowly too. A pinch of salt. Then it's the turn of the butter that I melted and let cool down, and I have to microwave it. I always cover the bowl with some cling film, so it doesn't splash all over. I let embed a few moments. I lower the speed to minimum, and I can add the powder mix. Powder's iron, what's missing is milk, that is warm and should be poured slowly. The dough is almost ready. It is still a bit sticky, but that's normal. I'll remove it from the whip with a spatula. Only the egg whites are missing. I'll whip them slightly with some lemon juice. Perfect. This is the ideal texture, foamy but still soft. I'll pour the egg whites in the bowl, and with the delicate movements I'll incorporate them. In fact, I almost mixed them. I'll pour the mix in a mold that I have already greased and lined with baking paper. This is the ideal consistency, practically liquid. For our magic to happen, the magic cake must bake in preheated oven to 150 degrees for about 80 minutes. Once cooked, let it cool completely at room temperature, then cover it with cling film and let it rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Bite after bite, you will be able to spot the 3 layers of the magic cocoa cake. I'll leave a link down below to the photo recipe on Giallozafferano, where you can find the doses, ingredients and the procedure explained step by step. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like it. And if you have any questions, write them in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to Giallozafferano channel to keep up to date with all the news on the site. Did this recipe enchant you too? Cook it yourself and then let me know.